Hello, Niagara-on-the-Lake, Betty Disero here. I'm reaching out to you today to talk to you about a few things that are happening with respect to COVID-19. This morning we heard from the Premier that the health system is working diligently to administer vaccines to thousands of people, as many as they can. However, he did mention that unless we get more vaccines from the federal government, and he's been working with the Prime Minister to do that we may run out of vaccines next week. He also talked about the numbers and the number of cases, active cases, of the COVID vaccine they're finding recently. He said the numbers are staggering and that they are going up unprecedented. He asked people to follow the protocol. He asked people to wash their hands, wear a mask, not congregate in groups other than with your own families. Because if we together follow the protocol, we can overcome these large numbers that are increasing. So I wanted to talk to you today about the protocol. I wanted to thank members of the community who have been following the protocol since the beginning, when we started through this pandemic in March. I want to thank you for your diligence and for caring about fellow Niagara-on-the-Lake residents and businesses. And I want to ask those who have become somewhat complacent and have not been following the protocols to the degree they should be, to please start to follow the protocol. Because while our numbers are going up, even in Niagara-on-the-Lake, this is not a time to panic. It is a time to remain calm. And if we follow these protocols that have been put out by the province and the federal government, we together will get through this. So I'm asking that everyone remain calm and follow the protocol and try to stay within your own family unit and only go out when it is essential to do so. Even if it means that you need to go out for a little bit of exercise and for a walk, please go on your own and keep a distance from people around you. I also want to talk to you today about the dedication of all the mayors in the Niagara region and the chair of the Niagara region in trying to get the vaccines into Niagara region. Our community, Niagara region, has some of the highest number demographics of those people over the age of 50 in the whole province. It is important that all of us, all the mayors, continue to work together as we have been to ensure the province recognizes our position in the province and brings forward those vaccines. We have committed to the province that we will work with them, and our Department of Health has the ability and the capacity to work with the Niagara healthcare system to bring the vaccines to Niagara region so we can start to see that light at the end of the tunnel. I know that all the mayors in the Niagara region and the chair will continue to work hard to get that message across to the province. I also want to talk to you about the town of Niagara-on-the-Lake itself and the importance, again, to follow the protocol because our numbers are starting to go up and we've had 2 outbreaks now in long-term care facilities. We need to continue to think about each other and think about our friends and family and neighbors and make sure that we ourselves are safe and that we keep them safe as well. Our operations department are looking for ways, should it snow, to create additional pathways that people can walk on to get some exercise and get rid of some stress that they may be feeling. Our communications team will bring messaging to all of Niagara-on-the-Lake as they receive it throughout the rest of this pandemic. We understand that there may be additional restrictions put in place next week, and the town of Niagara-on-the-Lake is committed in order to keep public health and safety top of mind to bring you those messages and try to help you through it as best we can. So my message to you today, I hope, is clear. Continue to follow the protocol. Stay calm and continue to look after each other. Together, we will get through this.